Hello, in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the error Disk Unknown Not Initialized in Windows 10 or 11, or how to fix unallocated disk error. The error may appear like so, right over here when it's unallocated. Here's a way to fix it. The first thing you can try, go on your Windows icon, right click, go on Device Manager, and go under Disk Drives. You're going to see your drive that's going to have that it has a problem with an exclamation mark. When you see it, then right click it, then click on Update Driver, then you can search for drivers. Try that to see if it works. And if it doesn't work, then you can try this next. Type in CMD on your Windows icon. Then run as administrator. After this opens, then you need to type in this. As you can see, DiskPart. And list disk. Here you will need to locate the disk that has a problem. I'll use disk 2 as an example, 28 gig. So you say select disk 2. After you do that, then you have to clean it. Mine is already working well, so I will not do the process. So what you have to do, then finish these commands. Clean, after it cleans, convert GPT. After that, create partition primary and do format fs ntfs quick. But it will remove every file that is in your drive. But to restore it, you can use a restore program for you to get your files back. And you're done.